A super creamy, incredibly rich in flavor made with fresh strawberry that's irresistible and tastes extremely delicious. Yes, today we're gonna learn how to make fresh strawberry ice cream at home in a very easy way without using eggs or ice cream maker. Hope you like it. Keep watching. Hi everyone, my name is Nisha. Welcome back to Mommy's Kitchen. Let's learn how to make strawberry ice cream at home in an easy way. Firstly, wash the strawberries and pat dry them and then slice them as shown. Here I have taken 1 cup of strawberries, which is around 8 to 10. Please ensure the strawberries are dried well before chopping. Fresh strawberries gives an awesome flavor to the ice cream. Once all are sliced, we're gonna puree it roughly. We won't make it into fine puree as I would like to have strawberry chunks in my ice creams. So first slicing it and then would be chopping it. Now all are sliced, so I'm using a chopper to chop it. You may also chop it into a very small pieces with knife. I'm not making it into a fine puree, just roughly chopping them so that we can feel the chunks while having the ice cream. As you can see, strawberries are chopped now. So this is how we want. So keep this aside, or you can also refrigerate it until we prepare our cream base. For preparing the cream base, freeze the bowl and the beater attachment for 30 minutes. This process will help in whipping the cream faster. Now adding the cream. Here I am using heavy cream 1 cup, which is around 250 ml, and then start whipping it. We need to whip the cream until it turns fluffy and becomes thick. We need not whip until stiff peaks form. So remember it, we just have to whip until it becomes thick and fluffy. I have been whipping for a few minutes now and the cream has started thickening, as you can see. So at this stage, we would be adding vanilla essence, half a teaspoon. It is optional, you may skip it if you don't want. However, I like the flavor, so adding it. So adding around half a teaspoon of vanilla essence and then 1 tablespoon of sugar. And then whip again until it's well combined. Remember, never add sugar in the beginning as the cream will not whip properly and won't thicken up. Instead will become runny and form buttery texture. Hence, always add sugar after the cream has thickened and become fluffy. Now add 150 ml of condensed milk and whip again for a few more minutes. The condensed milk will give the desired sweetness to our ice cream. Keep whipping for a few more minutes and we get a thick and a fluffy cream, which will turn out to be a super creamy and tasty ice cream when it's done. As you can see, this is how the consistency should be: fluffy and thick. Now let's move on to our next step. That's we need to add fresh strawberry, which we had prepared earlier. Add it to the cream and gently mix it with a spatula. Do not beat it with beater, otherwise the fluffiness will go away. Now combine it well and you can see cream is getting the strawberry color. Here I like to add 2 to 3 drops of red food color. Again, this step is optional, you may skip it if you want. However, this will give a beautiful light rose creamy color to our ice creams. Mix the color nicely and that's it. Our cream base is perfectly ready. Now pour the cream into an airtight container. And then we're going to place a butter paper or a parchment paper on the upper surface of the cream and then cover it nicely. This step will prevent ice crystallization and you'll get a smooth, soft ice creams. Now cover the container and freeze it for 8 to 9 hours or overnight, or until the cream is set. I had kept it overnight and now let's see how a strawberry ice cream looks. So open the airtight container and then remove the butter paper. And you can see it's well set And a super creamy fresh strawberry flavored non-ice crystallized ice cream is ready. Now scoop out the ice cream, as many as you want, and serve and enjoy it. Look at the texture, how rich and creamy it is, and trust me, it tastes super delicious too. It's a fresh homemade ice cream and is incredibly tastier than any store-bought ice creams. It's super creamy without ice crystals and it tastes truly amazing. Look at this, how beautiful it looks, and it's super soft and creamy and tastes extremely delicious. Now garnish it with a strawberry. Isn't this very simple to make, and that too without using eggs or ice cream maker. I'm gonna serve it to my family, so what are you waiting for? Please try this and enjoy it with your family and friends. It's one of the best strawberry ice cream you'd have ever had. It's super creamy, soft and tasty. Hope you like this simple and easy ice cream recipe. If so, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and like and share it. Soon we'll be coming up with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care of yourself. Happy cooking. Bye bye.